So you might be wondering, why is this program any different? A combination program is a therapeutic program in which more than one exercises for different body parts is recommended for addressing the area of pain. For example, if a problem exists in the upper part, exercising the lower part is equally essential. Most programs do not properly understand back function as it relates to the rest of the body. They just recommend upper extremity exercises in the same rep and set sequence with no diversification. No back flexibility, core or leg exercises are recommended. A balance of strength and flexibility of all the muscles around the back is essential for injury prevention. In addition, proper back function is linked to the movements of the lower extremity, the pelvis and the trunk. This program includes dozens of different strength and flexibility exercises for the back, core and legs that are performed in small groups with changing set and repetition sequences. So now you know why this program is different. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.